I'm Nell's solo parent and hardworking mom. No matter how much they try to hide it, no matter how much they deny it, foreigners cannot explain and certainly cannot resist their desire for single Filipina moms. Some will swear it's just the beauty, others will claim it's just about the culture. But deep down, there's something magnetic, something irresistible, and it keeps pulling them back. Foreigners are drawn to Filipinas in general, the warmth, the smile, the energy. But with single Filipina moms, there's another layer of maturity, life experience, and balance of softness and strength. They know how to love and fight at the same time. They have been through struggle, but they still carry themselves with grace. Foreigners see that glow. It's not just physical beauty, it's resilience and charm mixed together. Many foreigners can't explain it because it doesn't fit traditional dating logic. Why would a man who could choose someone younger with fewer responsibilities instead choose a single mom? The answer: there's an undeniable magnetism. Single Filipino moms often know how to take care of a man without losing their own strength. It's like they bring both romance and real life into one package. Filipino moms are naturally nurture and they cook, they care, they listen, they support. Foreigners, many from cold or individualistic societies, feel starved for this kind of attention. A single mom doesn't waste time with games. She knows how to be direct, loving, and practical. That combination is addictive. It's not just a girlfriend vibe, it's a home vibe. Many foreigners try to deny it because society might look down on it. Why date a single mom when you could have someone with no baggage? The truth is, it's not baggage, it's experience. Deep down, foreigners admire how a Filipino mom puts her kids first, but still has passion and fire for a partner. That's not weakness, that's strength. And men are attracted to it, even if they won't admit it. When foreigners connect with single moms, they often experience real intimacy for the first time. These women understand sacrifice, loyalty, and responsibility. Their relationship isn't shallow because it feels deeper, fuller, and more meaningful. Foreigners can't explain it because it's not just about romance. It's about belonging to a family, about becoming part of something bigger. In the Philippines, motherhood is respected and celebrated, not hidden away. Foreigners are shocked to see single moms still radiant, fashionable, fun, and romantic. Unlike in some Western countries, being a single mom in the Philippines doesn't strip away femininity, it often enhances it. Foreigners are drawn to that rare blend, playful woman plus responsible mother. So let's stop pretending. Foreigners can't deny it. They can't explain it, but it's real. Single Filipino moms hold a power that is magnetic, natural, and unforgettable. You can call it desire, attraction, or destiny, but once you have felt it, you will never shake it off. And that's why, all across the world, men keep coming back. They may not understand it, but they don't have to. Some desires are too deep for logic to explain. I will end today's episode by saying foreign men's attraction and desire for single Filipina moms is based on intuition, and Filipina single moms' allure and charm. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.